go grab my kitchen table and start getting it set up. So I'll be back. Oh. Hi. All right, I'm back with the table. I'm going to attempt to put it back in. I'm not sure how this goes. I think these are in upside down. Yeah. Doesn't quite seem right. You would think they would go the other way, but apparently not. Doesn't seem right, does it? I don't know who invented these, but whew, my best friend. Alright, so that's in. I know it doesn't look right, but these go in here. And then, yeah, it doesn't look very safe. See? Ugh. Got myself in a pickle. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to extend this leg out so it'll help support itself. But, oi, you know, it's not always easy. A lot of us edit out all the troubles and difficulties, but lost my Band-Aid. I don't know why it's got two legs. Oh, I see that leg. I was trying to figure out why it had two legs. This one is for when it's made into a bed. See that? It's shorter. And this is for when it's a table. There it goes. There. Okay. Now maybe it'll hold its own weight. And I can get under it. If I can get up and get it set up again. Anyway, maybe it'll hold its own weight so I can get up underneath it and get these screws screwed in. Let's see. I'm hoping this is easier to assemble. There. Apparently it's not easier, no matter what I do. Ooh, it's going to go down on me. Alright, let's see. What a grunt. wonder. Let's try it this way. Maybe I'm going about it backwards. Let's try it this way. Oh, there. Maybe I can do it that way. Give it a shot. Whew! Okay. Let's see how it works. If it works. That was a... Oh, there. Whew. Alright. Table's up. So, I guess eventually I'll resurface it. Something nice to it. I don't know. But anyway, okay, table's up. We're making progress. And it is hot in here. Whew. I don't know what the temperature is here today, but goodness sakes. I wish there was a plug down there. Because look, wouldn't this be cute? A lamp. Couple cute dishes, some silverware, a napkin. Wouldn't that be cute? Yeah, not gonna happen. There's no electrical outlet down there. It's got a fairly long cord on it. I might be able to run the cord across there. Let's see, yeah, across there and plug it in. I don't think it's that long though. Anyway. Alright, kitchen table. Check. That one's done. Alright. Well, I'm going to bring a few more things in. Too bad I didn't bring a Dr. Pepper out with me. I could sit and have soda.